In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox lagging on your iPhone. So for this, we're going over to our settings, and from our settings, we're going to click on General. From General, we're going to click on iPhone storage in here. And right now you need to be sure that you have enough storage available on your phone, because if you do not have enough storage, your phone will lag because it does not have the capacity to load Roblox, because Roblox is a pretty huge app, especially when you are playing games. So make sure that your storage is sufficient. And once you have checked that, you can just go ahead and select the app again and then try if it is working more smoothly right now. So the next thing that you can do is basically with offloading your app or deleting the app and then downloading it once again. And you can offload the app by going back to General, iPhone storage again, and then you need to scroll down and then search for Roblox. So let's go ahead and select it in here. And in here you need to click on Offload App. And once you do that, this will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep the documents and data. And this will often cause the app to run more smoothly as well. And if you have done this and it still does not work smoothly, then you can also delete the app and then download it once again. So you can just go ahead and select that. And if everything still does not work and it's still not running smoothly, then you can also click on software update in here, and then you can check which version of iOS you are on right now. And as you can see, there is an update available. So I should definitely do this update. And if you are on a way lower iOS version, then I would say, please update your iOS, because this will also solve a lot of bugs and will run apps more smoothly in general. So that is how you can fix Roblox lagging on iPhone. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.